Well, we've got a presence here already. We've established a Welsh subsidiary business called More Energy within Holyhead. One of my colleagues, who's born and bred in Holyhead, he's our operations manager, and he heads up and leads that team. So we are using that as combined from QED Naval and More Energy itself. So he would be the first point of contact, really, and he's been entrusted by the company and given the responsibility to develop, jobs and supply chain GVA, as we call it, gross value added, get money into the economy and get businesses attracted to our business. It's a new projects. We've got it's quite a developed technology. We spent the last 8 years doing all the R&D, and now we're looking for local suppliers to engage with us in order to establish that local supply chain, which is all too important. Because once we've got 30 megawatts out there, there's a lot of turbines to maintain and service and just keep the project running cost effectively and efficiently.